Okay, today we're going to be checking to see if our floor radiant heat valve water valves are closed. Right now I have the AC on. Let's check it. Our temperature here, pushing this button down, and going to 62. The interior mode is cooling. I have the front on, fan on about 4. Well, let's go 2, and then we'll make sure that this is toggled all the way to the cold. Then we'll go key on. The engine is running. You'll push, let's see, this button here, hold it in, and your diagnostic menu will come up. And you'll go to the snowflake, with the wrench. Everything shuts off. Interior 1, and then toggle to the right. Floor water valve. It says it's off. I can toggle it on to switch it on, or toggle it off to switch it off. Make sure that's in the off, and then go back. And you can keep pressing this until you exit out into your normal screen. AC should pop back on, and that should shut off your water valve. You can also check to see if your condenser fans are blowing or evaporator fans are blowing. You can put it into heating override or cooling override as well.